my 7. I'm ripping in my 7. My 7. My 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7. My 7. My 7. I'm riding in my 7.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Sherrod 254. As you can see, doing some straightening up in the garage. Trying to clear a path so I can get my bike out this bitch. The engine here is on the stand, so it's good to go. So if y'all don't know, make sure y'all subscribe, click the bell, all that good shit. So pretty much everything over here, this block is bad. Even though it's complete all together, it's bad. So what we're gonna do, in another video I'll show you why it's bad, but this video we're gonna just kind of start cleaning up what we got here. 4853 block. So everything from there is gonna come directly over to here, and then we're gonna get this all cleaned up, honed and everything. I don't see no scoring or anything in the cylinders, man. They just need to be love, that's all. Need a little love, that's all. Damn, lifters is stuck in there, so. Tree branches, they got one sensor there, but yeah. So we're gonna soak this down with some purple power, super clean, and try to get all the dirt off of it first, then lube it back down so it don't rust, and then go from there. As you can see, in here it's just a lot of crud. So, I think in the end, the plan for this is to be like a turbo candidate, which we'll see though. We'll see. Like I said, it don't look like it's no damage. It's just been exposed to the elements a little bit. So let me get it sprayed up, cut you back on. All right, so then we got to spray down. Like I said, the goal is to just kind of get whatever cleaned off of there that we can. As you can see, it's already doing this thing. Probably gonna make a little messy spot right there, but it's all good. I ain't like we ain't been through this before, so we get it all sprayed down. Get some pliers, put them lifters out. All that good stuff, so yes sir. All right, let's try this again. I think I messed up. So now, as you can see, pretty much got it all sprayed down and kind of made a mess. Got some, after I lubricated it, or after I cleaned it, I done lubed it down in WD-40 and transmission oil. Keep it from rusting. We're finna throw a bag on there. But as you can see, after the cleaning, matter of fact, let me see if I can pull it up here in the light better for you. Hold on. All right, so now we got the engine up in the garage. See it better, more lit. So, yeah. See the cylinder walls, like it wasn't none. I mean, it's a couple of them. It kind of feel like it kind of got a little bit of a rust spot somewhere, but nothing major. And like I said, Now everything's been lubricated down. Gonna throw a bag on it, make sure it don't rust. Let's see what we got here. See, that one scored a little bit. But y'all know the motto. Send it. Send it. Yeah, I think a lot of that stuff will get cleaned up once we come through there with that hone and things. So, that's gonna pretty much do it for right now. Bring y'all back, I guess we'll start tearing down, slowly but surely tearing down this block over here so that we can get parts off of it, get it organized, etc., and get my boy back his stand. And then, like I said, I'll show y'all exactly what it was that was going on with this block and why this, as though it looks to be perfectly fine, cannot be used. So that'll be coming in the near future. But yeah, I just need to kind of get some room. I think I'm gonna move. I don't think I'm gonna bring that back down. As I do the disassembly, like I said, you know, we still got other stuff we gotta do, etc., etc. But I got one more in us, y'all. We gotta make it shake, make it shimmy, shake. But yeah, everything is, as it don't necessarily look bad. I mean, it could probably, might be some little scouring or scoring on the bearings and shit. Since we there, go ahead and replace them. But I'm pretty sure that the ones over here is probably good. So, like I said, low budget transfusion, so to speak, and everything like that. So, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, and we'll go from there. Yeah, like I said, it ain't nothing. Don't look like it's nothing major on the cylinder walls. Just get them honed out and go from there. Could be wrong, but you know, trial and error, DIY. That's what we're here for. So, see you next time, man. It's your boy LSHRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.